Hey there, it's You Are Avon Lady Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 24 of 2021. And this campaign, we have not only a flurry of gifts, we also have a lot more of our holiday decor coming out in this campaign. Now, I will say I only got one new piece of decor myself. I have found over the years that most of the surfaces in our home are designed to hold people and not so much things. So I don't have a lot of room for a lot of fun decorations, but I definitely did pick out a favorite this year that I'm happy to add to our holiday array. But did want to show you some of the others that are in the brochure that I have seen in person, like this adorable Gifts from Santa snow globe lantern. So it's not your traditional snow globe. It's not a big round globe like my Winnie the Pooh and friends back here. It's actually in the lantern shape. So it's a very fun take on the snow globe. And actually, if I had more space, this would be one of the things that I would have gotten this year, because I also kind of like the look of the lanterns. This little owl ornament, oh, he was a huge hit at our convention in our product expo. All the representatives were like, oh my God, that is so cute. That's that one. I think that's going to be one of those things that's going to sell really quickly, because I think it's going to be more popular than expected. Also, this beautiful tree. And you know, if you're one of those people that is very short on space, or even just short on time to do a lot of decorating, something like this is a fun way to have your Christmas tree without necessarily having a big tree and having to do all of the lighting and the decorating and that. In fact, my dad is one of those people that would do something like this, something small that he could put on a shelf, especially if maybe you're not hosting a holiday gathering and you're just putting it up for yourself. That's a fun way to kind of add that Christmas tree to your environment without having to deal with the traditional tree itself and all that comes with that. Some other beautiful pieces. This angel was another piece that was very popular that folks were really, really loving at our product expo. And whenever we have, fun decorative trees, those are always a big hit. So those are the kinds of things that usually sell out pretty quickly. So campaign 24, products that are debuting in campaign 24 start on October 26th, 2021. And so if you see anything that you're really, really excited about or really interested in, you're going to want to be ready to shop on the 26th just for the best availability, because some products do sell out kind of quickly. I don't remember if I showed last time the Starry Night Luminary. This is very, very pretty. It just lights up from inside, and it has this snowy village scene and Santa and his elves, or Santa and his reindeer flying through the sky there. Very, very fun piece. And then for those who like the more whimsical, we have the shelf sitters and the greeters. Those are always really popular. Fun little, outdoor decorations if you want to change up your outdoor decor. And of course, we always have folks that are looking for new pieces for their holiday village. So we have several adorable pieces for that, and this beautiful carousel. How great would that be as like your centerpiece of a village, to have the fun little holiday carousel there. And we get into some more of the Santas and snowmen. And, if you don't do the whole village, but you want kind of a fun little holiday winter scene there, they've got those. And this is where my personal pick for the season, and it's our countdown to Christmas. My family has actually had the same little countdown to Christmas, little teddy bear laying down with a candle nightlight and changing out the blocks with the dates we've had for many, many, many years. So I thought we would do something a little fun and a little new, since now that my children are grown, our holidays involve somebody driving somewhere. So this is fun. It's got Santa and his gifts in his fun little red van, kind of a modern take on Santa's sleigh there. And you just move him along the track to show how many days until Christmas. Yeah. And so this is going to be a fun little addition to our decor this year, and thought that was a fun representation of how the holidays have evolved in our family. So let's see what else we've got here. We do have some new fun jewelry. I did get more of the holiday pajamas. Holiday slippers and holiday pajamas are always a big hit We do have we've had this style for many, many years. They're always such a big hit. And then we have this fun, more moccasin style there. But I did get 2 more of the sets of pajamas. This one was in campaign 23, so these are actually available now by the time you see this video. And this is, what is the name of these ones? I forgot the name. They're the pink ones with the star on it, with glowing star pajamas. So a pink top with the silver star, and then the fun pastel plaid there. And so that's the PJs that one of my daughters picked out for this year, because we do that as a family tradition every year. Everybody, the girls and I get new PJs every year. Sometimes their dad does too. And then these are the ones that I got this year, which are the Joy, Love, Peace pajamas, which is easy to remember because it says right there, joy, love, and peace. Things that I always try to spread a little bit more of whenever I can. And sticking with the plaid theme today, the blue, black, green plaid, kind of a traditional kind of Christmassy plaid. And oh yes, pockets. Gotta love when the PJs have pockets. And let me just confirm, I believe they do. Yes, the Starry ones also have pockets. And for those of you who have not met him, this is our newer puppy, Benny. He's just been living with us for several months now. My older dog, Einstein, does not ever try to get on video. But we're going to give Benny a nose boop, and we're going to let him go back to what he was doing. He's been running around under my feet the whole time I've been doing this, so I figured he needed to get up and say hello, because he does that sometimes on live videos. This campaign, we have a new Gotta Get It deal. This is the Time to Shine set. And our Gotta Get It deal, those of you who are familiar with the A boxes, this is the A box without the box. So it's a great deal that you can get for only $10 with any $40 purchase. And it always comes with some try-it size and full-size products. This time we've got 3 full-size makeup products and 1 try-it size skincare. So you have our original Anew Platinum night cream, which is great for firming and lifting of the skin. And then we have our Wash Off Waterproof Mascara, my personal favorite. We have, which now that I think about it, I forgot to put on this morning, our Glimmersticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Black Ice, and our Glimmer Shadow, liquid eyeshadow in Pink Sapphire? Pink Topaz. Pink Topaz. So great little makeup basics there with a really good night cream to all go together. And again, only $10 with a $40 purchase. Speaking of Glimmersticks, we have relaunched the Glimmersticks. And they are now the FMG Glimmer eyeshadow brow definers and lip liners. And the reason for the change is just some internal company stuff with Avon in the US, Canada, and Puerto Rico separating off to a separate business. It just has to do with what trademarks and product names we can still use. It is the same Glimmersticks that you know and love, just with a new packaging. Some of them now have the red caps. Some of them have the black caps still, but they just have the new FMG Glimmer, and they're now more in line with like our Glimmer Kiss lipstick and our Glimmer eyeshadow, the Glimmer Shadow eyeshadows, and that whole collection of products that we have there, and our Glimmer eyeshadow quads. So still the same great colors, still the same great formulas. This is the brow definer in light brown. They did update the formula a little bit on the brow definers, and they've got an improved formula, and they're now infused with ingredients that actually help with the hair growth in the brow area. So something a little more fun. This is one of our Glimmer Diamond Eyeliners in Twilight Sparkle, and I do have. I sat down yesterday and did swatches of all of the colors. So in campaign 24, we have the new packaging for the Glimmersticks Cream Eyeliner. I'm sorry, the FMG Glimmer Cream Eyeliner. Don't worry if you call me asking for Glimmersticks. I know what you mean. And the Diamonds Eyeliner and the brow pencils are the ones that we've got already. So these are the swatches for the brows. And I will have on Thoughts on Beauty, I am going to put up a blog post that has got a little video showing all of these, and then the individual pictures with the swatches, so you can kind of see what the real shades look like, and especially in the brow pencils, kind of the subtle differences between the different shades. And then we have our Glimmer Cream eyeliners. These are our standard Glimmer Cream eyeliners, and it's all of the shades that you know and love. We've still got the Blackest Black, the Starry Night, the Emerald Green, the Majestic Plum, Cosmic Brown, and the Smoky Gray that have all been around for many, many years. And we have our Glimmersticks FMG Glimmer Diamonds eyeliner. And so we've got all of the fun shades in that. And the Diamonds just has a little subtle shimmer to it. It's not like a heavy glitter, just a really subtle shimmer. And you can kind of see in the Twilight Sparkle just kind of how it's got a little bit of shimmer, and the colors are a bit brighter for the most part than the regular cream eyeliners. So yeah, so those are the ends, same price. So not really a huge change, just a change in the name and a change in the packaging. So you can not have to be, I know some folks have been worried about their Glimmersticks recently. So, and then this is another thing that introduced in Campaign 23. I just got my tester bottles, this week. So I didn't have these to show with Campaign 23, but much like we introduced in our Haiku collection of fragrances and our Rare collection of fragrances, we now have new intense fragrances for our Far Away collection. So we still have our Far Away essentials. We still have the Far Away fragrances that you know and love. So we've got the original Far Away, the Far Away Gold, and the Far Away Infinitive. We still have all of those, but we are introducing 3 new, more intense fragrances. And the intense fragrances are for, if you want a bolder, stronger scent for evening, or if you're one of those people that the lighter formulas don't linger as long as you'd like, we have the new intense formulas that they have more pure forms of the essential oils that are used in them, and they're just formulated in a way to make the scent kind of stronger and longer lasting than the essential formulas. So so if you have been one of those, a lot of folks really do. They love the regular original versions of these, and they're perfect for them. It's like their favorite, their go-to fragrance. But some folks have found, because everybody's different, everybody's body chemistry is different, and the way fragrances work with our individual body chemistry is different. So now we have these more intense scents. And like I said, also because, what you wear during the day is usually going to be something a little bit lighter, a little bit more subtle. But, if you go out for the evening and you've got a special occasion, or going out for the night, you might want something that is a little bit more outspoken than what you wear during the day. So of course we have the original Far Away in an intense. And if you're not familiar with the Far Away scent, the Far Away Intense is a blend of freesia, jasmine absolute, and amber. And I know I was wondering the first time I heard about a flower absolute, like the jasmine absolute. I've also heard of rose absolute and a couple of others. The difference is in how they get the scent from the plant. So it's a different extraction process when it's absolute versus an essential oil. So it's like a solvent extraction versus a steam distillation. So it's just a different way of getting the scent from the flower, from the plant. So it's freesia, jasmine absolute, and amber, which gives it that kind of warmer undernote. And I would say the Far Away is sort of a very subtle floral with a very warm, cozy feeling that you get from the amber there. So that's the Far Away Intense. So that's the original Far Away in the intense scent. We also have the Far Away Infinity in an intense scent. So you've still got the teal to kind of indicate the infinity. And the Far Away Infinity Intense has a blend of bergamot, jasmine sambuc, I'm not exactly sure, but it's a subspecies of jasmine. It's just a different variation on jasmine, and sandalwood. And you'll find that jasmine is kind of what ties the Far Away collection together. All of the Far Away collection has jasmine. So if you are a lover of the fragrance of jasmine, Far Away is the collection for you. If you're not a fan of jasmine, I've got lots of other fragrance collections to introduce you to. And then our completely new introduction to the family, the newest member of the Far Away family, is Far Away Beyond in our Intense formula. This one also has jasmine. It has orange blossom, which is a little bit, bergamot is a different type of citrus. It's still a little bit of an orangey, but it's a warmer citrus than you might get from an orange blossom or a grapefruit or something like that. So the orange blossom is a little bit brighter, a little bit sweeter, a little bit more floral. And then this also has tonka bean, which is a newer fragrance ingredient, and it's actually a really unique combination of spicy and fruity. So this is really just a beautiful scent. This is the one I'm trying out today, and I'm really liking it. And it does have, you can tell it's part of the Far Away family, but it's just a little bit different. So if you would like to try any of these, I have the testers of all three. I can make you up a little fragrance card, seal that up, and send that off to you. Just message me through your favorite method. You can comment on the YouTube video, comment on Facebook. You can go to Thoughts on Beauty and just hit contact me and fill out a thing there and just say, hey, I'd like to try out the Far Away Intense collection, or if you have a specific one that you'd like to try, you can message me and request that. So that's everything I have for you for campaign 24. So those of you who've been wondering, rest assured your Glimmersticks are still around, just under a different name. Far Away Intense just our more intense, just like the name says, more intense version of the Far Away collection that plus a new family member there. And then definitely check out the fun, awesome holiday decor if you want to do a little something to change up your decor, or if you're ready for a completely new holiday look, you can make a whole new look out of everything that we have there. I will remind you, all of our holiday items are limited edition. They do go quickly, and this year more than ever, if you're going to be shopping for the holidays, if you're looking for gifts, if you're looking for decor, you're going to want to shop early. Just the global issues with manufacturing and shipping, and delays in shipping and things like that. You'll see just as many products that are delayed in getting into the warehouse in the first place as products that sell out quickly. So if you're seeing products that you really are on your must-have lists, whether they're gifts, decor, or what have you, message me so I can kind of stay on top of those for you, let you know when they are in stock, and let you know if it looks like they might be. Sometimes we get a little bit of a heads up when they're starting to sell out, when they're going quickly. Not always. Sometimes they go so fast there is no time for Avon to let representatives know that something is on the verge of selling out. But for the holidays, they do try to keep us really up to date as much as possible. So I'm happy to help you out keeping track of that and make sure that you do get your must-have items. And just in general, whether you're shopping with Avon or anywhere else, if you've got things that are important to you and are important to your holiday experience, definitely start looking to get those soon to avoid any potential disappointment. I mean, of course, the holidays are more about who you're with than what you're with, but the material things do sometimes are a big part of that experience as well. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks. Bye.